Hello and welcome to this month's edition of The Charge, Zapmap's monthly update into all things EV charging, data and insights. Even though it's only early December, you can see Jade and I are beginning to get into the Christmas spirit with our Christmas jumpers, and we're going to be giving you an update on the latest charging stats, and then we're going to hand over to Alex Earl, our Commercial Director, who's going to give you an update on Zapmap's European expansion plans. So today, just before we started recording, I saw that the ZEV mandate had been passed in Parliament, which is great news. Great news for EV sales, come into place on the 1st of Jan next year. And there's also been good news for EV chargers. Last month, Zapmap added over 1,500 new chargers across all the different power ratings to the database. And you can see the breakdown of that if you head over to the website, because we wanted to concentrate on a new milestone that's been hit. Jade?
Yeah, which is that we have surpassed at the start of December 10,000 rapid or ultra-rapid devices across the UK, and they're spread at over 5,000 locations. So really good news for hitting that milestone at last.
Yeah, great. I mean, all that work, getting all those chargers installed are nice numbers as well. 10,000 devices, 5,000 locations. I think we can remember that. And the other part of that is the increasing shift to that ultra-rapid 100 kilowatts or more power rating. In 2020, there were about one in five chargers were ultra rapid, and now in 2023, nearly half, so 45% of them are ultra rapid. So we can really see that trend of charge point operators installing those high powered devices.
Yeah, and the way those are generally made up as well. So we looked at this time last year, we had just under 100 high powered hubs around the UK. So that's where there are 6 or more devices that are rapid or ultra rapid in one place. So just under 100 a year ago, and now we're up to 237. So again, we can see that acceleration on that side of things.
Yeah, brilliant. So lots more rapid, ultra-rapid chargers, more ultra-rapid chargers, more hubs. So I think that's a great way to end this segment, because we're now going to hand over to Alex Earl, Zapmap's Commercial Director, who's talking to Ollie, our Content Manager, all about Zapmap's expansion into Europe.
Okay, so hello Alex. We're here in the bustling city of Amsterdam because Zapmap has taken its first step into mainland Europe. Can you tell us a bit more about what that first step actually entails?
Sure, yeah. So we've, for our more attentive users out there, you'll see in the Zapmap app, you'll now see a whole bunch of largely pink pins on the map across France, Belgium, Luxembourg, the Netherlands and Germany.
Brilliant. And why has Zapmap chosen those first 5 countries?
Well, we've largely listened to our users. We know from our EV driver annual survey that roughly about 20% of people, of EV drivers, either drive their EV abroad or they want to drive their EV abroad. And we won't stop there, because we'll then be going into other countries, mapping their chargers, so in the likes of Spain, Switzerland, Austria, and Italy. And then, over the course of the coming months, we hope to map somewhere in the region of 500,000 chargers across the whole of Europe.
And for users coming across onto the continent, what sort of functionality and features and benefits of the Zapmap app can they expect? Is it exactly the same as what we offer in the UK, or are there any differences? Yeah,
good question, Ollie. Yeah, so we're starting with effectively our basic functionality of search. You'll be able to open up place cards, find out details of the charge point, some of the facilities around there. So all that basic functionality that users are very familiar with using in the UK. In the course of the next couple of months, we'll also be rolling out route planning, something we have in the UK. And then, of course, there's payment as well, so we're looking to support ZapPay with selected networks from Q1 of next year as well.
Fantastic. Well, yep, so it's no mean feat, and congratulations and well done. I look forward to our next steps in the new year.
Me too.
Well, that's it for this month. I hope you enjoyed hearing about Zapmap moving into Europe. Next week, we've got the results of our EV survey. And then next month, we'll be back early Jan to talk about all the trends in EV charging across 2023. Pricing, utilisation, locations, hubs, and all of that good stuff. So it just leaves me to say, have a very happy Christmas and an electric New Year, and see you later.